Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing day 17 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem and today's video in general. Of course, as you can see, I am not, no intro today because I'm just back in New York. I missed the bi-weekly. I think there's a bi-weekly. If I'm wrong, then, that's a little silly. But I just got back, so I'm really tired right now. I'm still gonna try to do the contest in about 40 minutes, so no time to do the intro or like a fun drone shot. Maybe tomorrow. So come back tomorrow. I have a lot of just beautiful Ireland and Turkey. Maybe I'll just do more and stuff like that in general. Anyway, today's problem is 42 trapping rainwater. So a classic problem. I think I did it. To be honest, I want to say I forgot it, but actually I think I did it not that long ago. When did I do it? I think I did it like as part of the 50 was it 50 or 75 grind problem thingy. I'll have to post it up now that I'm back in New York, because I wanted to add an intro kind of talking about what I did and what I learned from that grind, and that was like a month ago because I traveled for a month, so a little bit anticlimactic there. But I think I did this about a month ago or so, because it is a way from that people talk about. I think I did struggle with that one about a month ago in the grind 75 because I was trying to speed run it, and I think that's one thing about being tired is that by the end of the near the end of it, I was just so tired that I normally would be able to solve this, but I think I did ultimately, but it took way too long. So anyway, let's take a look at this one. How much water it can okay. So I think the idea here, the invariant you're trying to think is that for each because I think I was just trying to do like some scan line thing, but I think another way to think about it is that for each dip, what is the leftmost, or what is the highest point to the left and what's the highest point to the right, and then therefore they will set up, the lower of those two will set up the boundary. So we can just do a simple prefix and suffix thing. Hopefully that explanation kind of makes, I don't think I made sense because I was actually going a little bit fast, but now the beautiful thing about being back is that I can draw again. So hang on, let me set up the drawing real quick, keeping in mind that I only have I'm going to try to keep this video not super long because the contest is in 40 minutes or so, but it should be okay. I mean, I know what I hope I know what I'm doing. Watch I'm wrong, and then I'll be like, oh, well, mistakes were made. But let's just draw some random stuff. I was going to maybe copy and paste the thing from the example, but that's okay. But the idea here is that, let's say, you have one long thing to the left, you have some long thing to the right, and then you have some some variation thing on on the bottom, right? And of course this cannot go to the whatever as well, and you could do some maths there. But the idea here is that, okay, well, how much can this, if you look at piece Y, how much can this one fill? Well, this one can fill up to here, right? Because we know that this is the rectangle that we're trying to do. And that's basically the idea. That's the visualization. I think I didn't really do a good job of drawing this one because, I don't know, I'm a little bit out of practice of the drawing as well, so forgive me. But that's basically the idea of what we're trying to do. Okay, so let's get started then. And then here, we want for the left, we want the max, or let's just set n as equal to height. Here, we want left to be something like this first, but so here we want left sub 0 is equal to, say, height sub 0, and then for I in range of n, left sub I is equal to max of left of I minus 1 or height of I, right? And then we do the same thing for the right, except for we do it the other way for backwards. So okay. One additional thing I do want to omit though is that I think this would definitely take me longer if I didn't solve it maybe a month or a month and a half ago, whatever it was. So that kind of points out a little bit of, I wouldn't call it cheating per se, but definitely I am not really coming from scratch here. So maybe when I push that whole video out, you can reference it and be like, oh, Larry made these silly mistakes. And I did do a lot of mistakes, not gonna lie. Like I do a lot of things with scanning, because one of my things that I love doing, if you watch me enough, is that I do love sweepline, and I try to use it here, and then I try to use some like mono stack type thing. But I think you have to look at both sides, or you have to do it very cleverly. And I think this one is just easier to remember or to figure out. So yeah. So then now we just look at each cell. And then now, so the left now, right? The left border is equal to left sub I, and the right border is right sub I. So then now, min of left sub I, right sub I, right, is the targeted height, say. And then, water is equal to 0. And then now, water, we just added to height minus, oh no, the other way around, right? Target minus height. I don't know we need this, but we can show that it's greater than 0. And then we return water. Let me run it real quick. I think the idea is right. Maybe I have some typo though. Because if you draw the diagram like that, that is essentially what you are trying to do. So why would you call it height and not height? Okay, fine. I mean, I'm inconsistent here too, so I lied. And this is wrong. It's height sub I. Okay, there we go. So definitely some typo already, but hopefully it's good. Okay, so let's give it a quick submit. Yeah, this was, I guess this is too, no. I think maybe I did it because when I did it last, like a month ago, I did under some session thing that people told me to use. I think I got a little confused. But wow, this is a very slow time. With 901 days. This is linear time, linear space. So maybe you can do a little bit better, but maybe not by that much. What did I do last time? Last time I did use some clever stack thing. Wow. Mel, if you want to know how this works, watch that video from about a year ago, July 31st. Maybe he has a better explanation. Today I'm tired and today I'm sleepy and I have to, do some stuff. So let me know what you think. I mean, I think this one, I explained this one properly, but the other one I'm actually curious as well. Anyway, let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. Well, I'm back in New York, so there's gonna be more videos coming soon, hopefully. Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you later, and goodbye. Oh, and also if you're doing a contest in 40 minutes, good luck. Bye-bye.